Hi guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can sign in to your Steam account. So guys, the first step is to make sure you have installed the app, and once you've done so, just go ahead and open it, and now you would be shown this small page right here. So it says to sign in with your account name, so type in your account name and now type in your password. And once you type on sign in, you would be given a code from your email address. Just go ahead and check it. So just go ahead and use that code to sign in. So I've typed in the code and there you go. It says logging in and loading your data. So guys, that's how you sign in to your Steam account. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.